I love that shit.
Shoulders, clavicles, sternum and ribs, diaphragm all gets compressed and tight, especially when you're what you're doing right now, looking down at the phone at me, at us. Now tuck your chin, take a deep breath in, bend to me a little bit. There you go, all the way out.
Come on, let's try.
She needs more. Think lower right there. Deep breath in, all the way out. Good.
All right. You know this would be my favorite part.
Absolutely. Slide back, put your hands over the sides, nice and relaxed. See, oh, yeah. Yep, she's got it. Same thing, right here. Right there. Oh.
Fuck, I love that shit. This feels so good.